Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my September Midnight Muses box. This box was sent to me quite a bit ago, but as you know, I live in Southern Oregon. There was a lot of fires, you know, including on my own property, which led to, obviously, a delay in mail. So, let's check it out. I'm excited. It's one of my favorite boxes. So, Persephone's Descent, Celebrating Mabon. Very cool. I always read this last just because it has all the... I don't want to have my surprise spoiled. So information on Mabon and a little art, which is very pretty. I love this. This is one of my favorite items. This is a beautiful envelope that I repurpose. This is from the Murder of Crows deck. Looks like a Queen of Wands or a Queen of Clubs. Very interesting. Let's see what we got. That's their card. Oh, we've got a little like flower pod and a little sheaf of wheat. Yes, so pretty, so fragile. Put that in there. Love it. Okay, we've got a little eggy. It looks like a little egg crystal. I love that. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, nice. I like the way it feels. Don't know what it is, but I like it. Ooh, look at you. It's a big dice with skulls. We got our tea bag. Oh, we got a matching one. Those are pretty cool. Ooh. Third eye balm. Very cool. Very pretty. Smells good. Very cool. Love that. We've got some incense. Smells a little bit like spicy, cinnamony, maybe. Oh, beautiful. It's a goddess. Ooh, sorry. It's a goddess candle. I love it. Ooh, I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh, and here's my little vial of herbs. I love those. I still need to find a little container for them. So we've got Yarrow, rose, and casting salts. Oh, we got tea here. Citrus mint. Nice. Okay, let's see what, we got an oil here. Let's see what it is. Autumn Moon. Ooh, it smells good, but not spicy. Different type of smell. That's cool. Different direction there. As the leaves begin to golden and then fall, swirling around us is in the winds of autumn, we are reminded of the Dark Mother and the season of Mabon. Mabon is often referred to as Witches' Thanksgiving and winds down the witch's year. Night and day are again of equal length and is in perfect equilibrium. Light and dark, inner and outer, in balance. It is a time of the second harvest. The summer's last glow slips away before the waxing darkness of fall and winter. The modern Sabbath festival of Mabon is named after the Welsh Celtic god. So she talks a little bit about, in Greek traditions, about Persephone and correspondences to Mabon. And so I'm just going to go through the items. So a Mabon incense stick. Aid in spiritual vibrations, attract abundance, stimulate psychic powers. She goes through, like, basically she walks you through a ritual. And then the items are highlighted in a different color. So hey, Allie. The casting salts are in the glass vial. So protective properties, clear the energy around your altars. You can place them in a dish, sprinkle around your sacred space. You can use them in a bath. Autumn moon oil. Apple, pomegranate, and haunted woods with fragrance, with frankincense and sandalwood essential oils and an almond oil base. It smells good, yeah. And then we have the Yarrow. Magical properties are psychic powers, courage, and used to avert evil spells. Dried rose, love, psychic powers, love, luck, love, divination, and protection. The candle, so it's a sympathetic magic. Can be used for protection, banishment, personal power, or to honor Persephone / the dark goddess. Dried botanical bundle, so pretty. Hand tied with love and intention, this bundle can be used as altar decor in spells or used as an offering in your altar. It has wheat, rosemary, or it may contain wheat, rosemary, wormwood, mugwort, cornflowers, and dried flowers. So I see definitely wheat, beautiful. And what are the options? I don't see cornflowers, although I do have a dried flower. Oh, I've got a pod. Cool. And I've got a little dried flower here too. But very cool. I think one of them's wormwood. Anyway, a tumbled white agate. So the bundle, the bundle was for abundance, growth, bounty, protection, money, and fertility. And I probably will put it on my altar. Tumbled white agate. It's said to be a grounding stone, bringing balance in your life. It aids in centering and stabilizing your physical energy. It can raise consciousness and links to the collective consciousness. It can increase perception. Third eye balm. With your finger, warm a small amount of balm in your palm, then massage into your temples and third eye, avoiding your actual eyes. It has wormwood, mugwort, and lavender infusions, mugwort, basil, and lavender essential oils, organic beeswax, jojoba, and coconut. Used before meditation and divination, do not consume. Underworld skull dice, that's these two. Used as altar decor. It is not recommended you throw the dice because they may break. They are handmade out of resin, so some may have slight imperfections. That being said, I did roll one at a time on flush carpet and they worked fine. So this is divination, and it tells you like what that could mean. So that's really cool. Citrus mint organic tea with a muslin bag, and the art print and the intuitively drawn tarot card. So another amazing box. I love this box. It's reasonably priced. The Midnight Muses box. I love the theme. Very appropriate, very on point. Very nice items. I've never gotten anything like this or this in any other boxes that I've ever gotten. And then I love the little bundle, even though mine is coming apart. Mine has been really manhandled because of all the shipping delays and whatnot. So I kind of will probably untie this and then tie it back together. But overall, I love it. Very good box for me. Right on point with the kind of items that I enjoy. So as always, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.